What's up? It's Chase Lilly with my first video on my account. Um, and this video is the NFL best trucks and stiff arms of 2016 through 17. So let's get into the video. Why the team pushing it forward? Why the other team pushing it? Oh my gosh! Dang! He had to be bad for that. He's trash. I never shoot. That's not really a truck. He just pushed. I wasn't really a truck him. Push me. That was, I guess you could call it a truck. That's not a truck. You just didn't tackle him. Oh, get off of me. Stiff arms. That's such a stiff arm. Oh, it's stiff arms too. My bad. I'm over there. Dang, he stiff arms mess out of both. Well, not both of them. He slipped off of one of them. Stiff arms mess out of one of them. I remember. That's just pitiful. They both should have just got him. He could have got him right there. Right there. He could have got him. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. He took the helmet off that man. If you get trucked, keep your helmet on. He got trucked by a quarterback. He got trucked by Matt Stafford. He ain't even a running quarterback. He ain't even a dual threat. He tried to get trucked by a quarterback. I'm sorry. You're like trash. You got stiff arms. Jason McCourty, dang. I would think Jason McCourty would be stiff arms like that. Oh gosh. Dang. Dang. Oh, yeah, I already saw this. I don't know. I was saying that. I already saw it. Dang. Oh my gosh. He gone. Is that Steve? Is that Steve Smith? Dang. Steve's an old man. He ain't all that old, but he's like husband. Dang, he's still gonna mess out of him. Alright. The video's over. Yeah, I just felt the need. I need to react to the video since I don't have anything on this account. So, let's check Lily.